So this is the unit 1 of art appreciation. So art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination. It comes from the Latin word ars, which means a craft or a specialized form or skill. Ars in medieval Latin meant any special form of book learning such as grammar or logic, magic, and astrology. Well, art is something that is perennially around us. I know some of you will say, I am not into art and art doesn't like me at all. But in life, we are doing things and actions that we can consider as an art already. The way we choose our clothes to wear, the way we fix our hair, and even how we tie our shoes sometimes, that is already a form of art. So art is universal. Art has been crafted by all people regardless of origin, time, place, and that it's stayed on because it is liked and enjoyed by people continuously. Continuously in a way that it is being taught in every generation. For example, the two Greek epics, the Iliad and the Odyssey, and of course the Sanskrit pieces Mahabharata and Ramayana. These are purportedly written before the beginning of recorded history. Okay, just a review. Iliad and Odyssey tells the story of the last year of the Trojan War fought between the city of Troy and Greeks. And Achilles, he is the main character and the greatest warrior in the world. Ramayana, it tells about Prince Rama's quest to rescue his beloved wife Sita from the clutches of Ravana with the help of an army of monkeys. So art has always been timeless and universal, spanning generations and continents through and through. Here in the Philippines, Florante and Laura or Florante at Laura never fails to teach high school students the beauty of love, one that is universal and pure. So art is not nature. Art is man's expression of his reception of nature. Art is man's way of interpreting nature. Again, art is not nature because it is made by man, whereas nature is a given around us. It is made by man, so so the art is man's way of interpreting nature. Well, nature in art can take many visual forms from photorealism to abstraction. Art can mimic nature by seeking to visually replicate objects as they actually appear in real life. So that's when nature can be form of art. Art involves experience. Art does not require a full definition. Art is just experience. Well, it is always an experience that you can tell something as your masterpiece or art piece if you experience it yourself. It is known by experiencing. It's like you cannot say that you are a professional photographer if you don't know or you are not aware of the basic shots. Same with a painter. You cannot say that you are a professional painter if you don't know how to hold the brush or you don't know the basic colors to use in a painting.
ang buhay sa North.